Good afternoon. Welcome to our station. Today we will explain a very common phenomenon which has directly or indirectly affected all of us in our day-to-day life.
Today we'll be explaining corrosion or rusting of irons. Rusting happens when an iron object reacts with moisture and oxygen present in its surrounding environment. Have you ever noticed substances with red rust on them? Why do you think this happens? All metal objects develop a red substance on them due to the presence of oxygen and water and its chemical reaction with them. This is also known as corrosion of irons or rusting of metals.
Have you observed that sometimes our silver items lost their shine? Iron items like iron nails, iron gates, etc. get a red powdery formation as shown here. Or also our copper utensils develops blue coloration on its surface.
All these that we see here are a form of corrosion due to chemical reaction. With the passage of time, iron reacts with oxygen and moisture present in the atmosphere to form this brown flaky substance called rust.
Copper in the copper vessel also reacts with air to form greenish tints on its surface. It is because air and moist comes together and reacts on the surface of copper, and it forms corrosion.
How is silver corroded? Silver is corroded when it comes in contact with oxygen and hydrogen sulfide present in the atmosphere with the passage of time to form black or red coating.
Now let's discuss on what happens due to corrosion. Well, corrosion can cause the wearing away of metals, and if not treated on time, it can cause damage to objects made of metals. For example, corrosion can cause damage to water pipes and cause water leakage, break the parts of automobiles and so on.
So how can we prevent corrosion? Corrosion can be prevented if the contact between the metals and oxygen, air or acid is cut off. We can prevent it by observing the given image. 1. Applying paint or oil to cut off direct exposure of the metal. 2. Mix the metal with another metal to form an alloy. 3. Coat the metal with another metal such as tin.